Sounds like maybe 2 trains or something. Alright, so we're here at Fostoria again. Another train is coming through. So it's been about 15 minutes since the green light was shown. 2 trains. Alright, we got 2 trains coming in. So yeah. We got the scanner with us here. Yep, they are going down. Sounds like they're coming. I don't know if it's 2 trains or if it's just what's it call it? Sounds like it's coming fast. Norfolk Southern with a CN. CN. FD70 ACU. Yeah, I don't know if it's 2 trains or not. It might have been a Doppler effect. Don't know if there's a second train or not. So I guess they ring the whole activation. They ring the whole activation over there. But there was only 1 train this time. It was just Doppler effect. See what else we can see. Thanks for watching.